told me, Ma'am, oh, yan ako pa manggil rin Happy New Year at yung pong bad news. Anak na ako. Corinne, kaya buri bad news, buri ko good news. So, mga naluya pong maging good nung may silaglaring at lutang kwarto. Na, ay, it's really a good news, sabi ko kaya. So, in reason na po, naring pangasilab, it's a short circuit na po ng fire department kanilang ikit a reason for the verdict, the 3 classrooms. Tapos po, Bintang Kenny, it's really a good news. And then January 6 came. This is the big news. Big, happy news. Morning po ng Lunes, may sumatok sa pinto and two alumnus of 1994 came to the door. Pala ko po kukuha ng Form 137. Tapos, si Claudia po, sabi ko, may ito akong bagya. And then, nagpakilala po, ako po'y Oliver Magat. Batch 94. Come in, ako po. Take your seat. Madalumdong at malisangan. Sinabi ko po, may sinablarengat ng kwarto, and baluyo po, talagang miracle. And they were the special people who came along. Ma'am, ating ke po sanang buri, in buri mini project, covered pathway, ano po. Ay, kapamo, engineer. Aliya priority need yan. Lalo na ngayon silabya, reta 3 classrooms, plus alakaming power. So, nalo po, baluwo niya yung quotation in PELCO, o hindi, with labor, 67,000, pero alaking balong pikwanan. Baluyo po, di kami nga looking office, ma'am, di nang dako po checking worth 100,000. Eya po miracle yan. Eya po special person. Palakpakan tayo po, Engineer Oliver Magat, external president na ng Batch 94. Tapos po, sabi na, ay, kami tatanggap pera o kaya cheque. Nung ninong pagawang project, yan, mamahala. Tapos po, nagkakalumutan about the lights, the wire, inaus kaya po yung Mr. Manang Sala. Tapos sinabi ko rin, Sir, in-offer na katamang 100,000 when our expenses is only 67,000. Tapos po, uling, manyaman kay Lugay Pamanyawo, a week after, may realize siya po yung first project na rin Batch 94. Another clap for 1994 batch. May realize siya po, o yan, re-installation and lighting of Santo Rosario High School. At may katawad na pa po. So, my big gratitude to the batch 1994 through the leadership of Engineer Oliver Magat. Salamat. Saludo ko yan. Ayan, ay pa po kaling welcome. Masyado ko atang may carried away. Ngayon naman po, it was a blessed day, a blessed evening. Good morning, everyone. Hi, good morning. Kasi po ka rin Chinese, pag good morning is a lucky day. So, on behalf or in behalf of the Santo Rosario family, we welcome you warmly. And I would like to acknowledge the presence of all the teachers before, after, today, and the future teachers of Santo Rosario High School. Special mention, nag-retired na po, ni Madam Melba Pingol. Palakpakan tayo, Madam. Ito na po. Mr. Reynaldo Manese, naging Kaya po San Stefan and Isuelo. Presently, Principal Yapo, Potrero High School. Madam Urdanita Magat. Madam, hindi pa kaya rin may ma-promote. HD of the Santo Rosario, present. Mrs. Catalina Sawal Biray. Madam Biray. All the teachers, our guests, to all the graduates,